Hello students, today we are going to learn the topic factors. To start, let's understand what a factor is. Factors are numbers we can multiply together to get another number. A number is a factor if it can divide evenly into the other number. Now, let's see some examples. What are the factors of 16? We can arrange them in different ways, such as one row of 16 dancers or two rows of 8 dancers each. This means we have the pairs 1 times 16 and 2 times 8. Think about all the whole numbers you can multiply to get 16. We can also have 4 rows of 4 dancers each, which gives us the pair 4 times 4. All these pairs show us how different numbers can multiply to give the same product. The numbers that are multiplied to get a product are called the factors of that product. Remember, a factor of a number divides the number evenly with no remainder. Now, let's find the factors of 12. We can express it as 1 times 12, 3 times 4, and 2 times 6. Can we multiply something by 5 to get 12? No, because 5 doesn't fit into 12 evenly. So, the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 12. Next, how do I find all the factors of 24? Start with 1. You can multiply 1 times 24, so 1 and 24 are both factors of 24. Write 1 at the beginning of your factor list and 24 at the end. Now try 2. You can multiply 2 times 12 to get 24. So, 2 and 12 are both factors too. Add them to our list. Next, try 3. You can multiply 3 times 8 to get 24. So, 3 and 8 are also factors of 24. Now let's try 4. You can multiply 4 times 6 to get 24, so add 4 and 6 to your list. When we try to divide 24 by 5, we find that it doesn't divide evenly, so it is not a factor of 24. 6 is already on our list, so that means our list is complete. We find that the factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. We can also use the division method to find factors. For example, with 24, we can see that 24 divided by 1 equals 24, 24 divided by 2 equals 12, 24 divided by 3 equals 8, 24 divided by 4 equals 6, and so on. The numbers that divide 24 exactly are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, and 24. So, these are all factors of 24. Now let's look at some properties of factors. First, 1 is a factor of every number and it is also the smallest factor of a number. Every number, other than 1, has at least 2 factors, which are 1 and the number itself. For example, the number 2 has 2 factors, 1 and 2, whereas the number 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6. Another property is that the factor of a number is always less than or equal to that number. Additionally, a number is its own largest factor. For instance, 15 is the largest factor of 15. Lastly, a number has a limited number of factors. For example, 6 has 4 factors, 1, 2, 3, and 6, and it has no more factors. Now, let's talk about common factors. The numbers which are common among the factors of 2 or more numbers are called common factors. For example, if we find the common factors of 9 and 15, we start by listing the factors of each. Since 9 can be expressed as 1 times 9 or 3 times 3, its factors are 1, 3, and 9. For 15, We can write it as 1 times 5 times 3, so its factors are 1, 3, 5, and 15. We hope that you have understood the topic. You can now study chapter notes, watch video lectures and solve MCQ tests of this chapter on EduRev to ensure you score well in your school exams. And that's not all. You also get amazing courses for maths, science, English, Hindi, and much more for class 4. Thank you.